Queen's helicopter set to pick up Princess Anne suffers in-flight emergency. Queen Elizabeth II's helicopter experienced a technical fault on its way to pick up Princess Anne, it has been claimed. The Queen's £5 million Sikorsky S-76 was reportedly grounded just minutes into its flight on Wednesday. The helicopter was meant to fly from Newcastle Airport to Balmoral to collect Princess Anne, it has been claimed. However, the 200-mile trip was aborted to allow mechanics to look into the technical fault, The Sun wrote. The newspaper added that experts were still repairing the fault 24 hours later. No member of the royal family was said to have been on the aircraft. Tireless Princess Anne reportedly needed the helicopter to travel to Oban, a resort town within the Argyll and Bute Council area, to attend 3 engagements. The newspaper said she was able to use another aircraft to get to her destination. An insider told The Sun, a safety-first approach was taken and it was flown back immediately for the technical fault to be fixed. There were no members of the royal family on the helicopter. Luckily, there was plenty of time to find alternative travel arrangements. Buckingham Palace declined to comment when contacted by Express.co.uk. The royal family fully owns the Sikorsky S-76 and leases a second similar helicopter when in need of it. The royals' use of helicopters was detailed in the financial report ranging from April 2020 to March 2021. In its travel appendix, a total of 47 helicopter journeys were counted, grouped together as they did not cost more than £15,000 individually. The total cost of the use of the royal helicopters over the past financial year amounted to £669,149, the report read. The Queen is currently in the midst of her summer holidays in Scotland. The sovereign travelled north of the border on July 23, and remained for a few days at Craiggowan Lodge while her main Scottish residence was still opened to tourists. In August, she relocated to Balmoral Castle and was officially welcomed on her estate with a traditional ceremony. To mark her arrival, the Queen inspected a Guard of Honour formed of 5 Scots, Balaclava Company, the Royal Regiment of Scotland, and met the regiment's mascot, a Shetland pony named Lance Corporal Cruichon 4. Since her arrival at Balmoral, the Queen is believed to have received a few of her closest relatives. Prince Andrew and his ex-wife Sarah Ferguson were said to have remained together at Balmoral for several days. Their youngest daughter Princess Eugenie was seen arriving at the airport in Aberdeen on August 13. Over the summer, the Queen usually hosts the Count and Earl of Wessex, the Duke and Duchess of Cambridge and their children. While at Balmoral, the Queen is known to live in a more relaxed way and to even occasionally carries out chores such as washing up. Her Majesty's love for her Scottish summer break was encompassed by Princess Eugenie in 2016. During an ITV documentary marking the monarch's 90th birthday, she said, "I think Granny is the happiest there. I think she really, really loves the Highlands. Walks, picnics, dogs, a lot of dogs, there's always dogs, and people coming in and out all the time." 2016. During an ITV documentary marking the monarch's 90th birthday, she said, "I think Granny is the happiest there. I think she really, really loves the Highlands. Walks, picnics, dogs, a lot of dogs, there's always dogs, and people coming in and out all the time.